Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to use Google Scholar using um, this research. So we are going to be looking for Holocaust survivors first. This will give us a general idea of how much stuff we kind of have, so there's going to be a lot of information. So let's do trauma as one of our search terms. Okay, so this gives us a lot of information and a lot of different things. So let's say I'm looking for something that has to do with Holocaust survivors and their physical health. I could also search that up and I would get all of these items. So let's say this looks good for me. I click on it and it takes me to a full text. Google Scholar does have full text. Some of their full texts are not available. So it's just very dependent. But I would say it's a great place to start out with information to try to kind of narrow down your research or to get some broad articles or broad information for your research to jump off of. This will also be one of our recommended databases for a lot of different topics. It's not just specific to history or psychology or Holocaust survivorship. It will be a great resource for you in general, so I would suggest to learn how to use it well. Now, you can also set the timelines for any time. So if I need relevant articles that are happening now, I can select 2021, 2022, and I can also sort by date instead of relevance, which is very helpful because then I can see how exactly many days ago things were posted. I can also create an alert so that anytime anything with this subject or these buzzwords gets posted into Google, I can get an alert that tells me that this information is now available. So Google Scholar is going to be a great resource for you.